How to delete suggested on Messenger. Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. This is Rose and I'm here to guide you on how to delete suggested on Messenger. Watch the video till the end and without further ado, let's dive right into the video. First of all, launch Facebook Messenger application on your device. Make sure to log into your account. Now head towards three-line menu icon at top left and tap this gear icon at top right corner of the screen. Now you have to scroll to the bottom of the screen and now locate the option of privacy and safety. Tap on it. Here you will see the option of hidden contacts. You can hide people from your suggested contact. Select that and tap on the plus icon at top right corner of the screen and choose the user for whom you want to delete the suggested contact. Now tap on hide contact. This hides this user from suggestions and they will see list of this users and they won't be notified and this will unhide or we can unhide them anytime. And after that, we will successfully delete the suggested contacts on Messenger. So I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.